Hi, my name is Lily Fu, a member of the Teen Advisory Committee for the Dallas Public Library, and today I'll be showing you how to make chocolate chip cookies. Into the bowl goes half cup of white sugar, half cup light brown sugar, 1/4 cup dark brown sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and half a cup of melted butter. 3 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Stir. Add a cup of chocolate chips and mix. Place your cookies onto a baking tray and then bake at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Here's the final result. Thank you so much for watching.